Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of Duolingo. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Duolingo. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.